Hey, this is my Macintosh Plus, first edition. It's not the second run, but the Macintosh Plus. It has the hard drive, the extra floppy, and it has the monitor. It has the keyboard. This is kind of a cool keyboard because a lot of them that came with this had them built in together, but these are separate, connected with telephone line kind of cables. The serial mouse, the original book that came with it, a ledger for one of the programs that's installed on the hard drive, just how to like get somebody copied a book and did that. The bag, let me get in a better room, sorry about that. Here's the bag. Everything fits inside this bag. All the manuals, all the stuff. The secret compartment for the mouse goes right there. It just fits in snugly and nice. And pretty nice bag. And let's go ahead and turn this guy on. Okay. You can hear the old hard drive boot up. Let's check in the hard drive. Back a little bit. Okay, and then there's the mouse works and everything. You see the programs and then this tells you like what year it was. It's kind of hard to see, but there's the version. Oops. Okay, I guess I have to click the window. And then here's some programs that come pre-installed. Office, not really any games. It seemed like it was a production computer for just business or something, typing up Word pads and Word documents. But this is this computer. Thanks for watching.